Holiday Gift Guide 2025. The holidays are almost here, but I wanted to do a video for the people in your life that are looking for ideas. In this video, I'm going to share with you my Holiday Gift Guide 2025. Make sure you stick around to the end for my bonus tip too. Hi, I'm Linda Johnson from Coffee First Quilt Crew. I've been quilting for over 20 years. Let me help you on your quilting journey. When I say holiday, I'm referring to all the December holidays, not just December 25th. This includes Hanukkah, the winter solstice, or Yule as it's known, Christmas, and Kwanzaa. There are lots of different price points in quilting, so those who have you on their list can find various options here. Please note that I will link my favorite things in the description below for you. Notions on the less expensive side. Every quilter needs the following: pins, sewing clips, sewing machine needles, hand sewing needles, if you do hand techniques or you prefer to sew the back of your binding down by hand, and some thread. Quilters tend to be very selective about some of these things. I know my favorites are Clover silk pins, which have a very thin shaft. They go through my cotton fabrics very easily. Wonder clips, I always prefer to buy the real Wonder clips. We're not going to get into that here though. Schmetz quilting needles. Aurifil 50 weight thread is my absolute favorite piecing thread. I prefer Glide 40 weight 100% polyester thread to do my quilting with, but I'm also quilting on a long arm. If I'm doing hand sewing, Clover Gold Eye Sharps needles, number 10. All quilters need a rotary cutter, self-healing mat, at least one cutting ruler, as well as an iron. My favorites are an Olfa 45mm rotary cutter, an Olfa 18 by 24 inch self-healing mat, Creative Grids rulers. Creative Grids rulers are ½ an inch bigger than other manufacturers. Therefore, my 6 by 24 inch long ruler is actually 6.5 inches by 24.5 inches, as well as my 6-inch square is a 6.5 inch square. And also the Oliso, I know the model has changed, but my Oliso iron is the T1600 Pro Plus. These are the irons that lift and you move them and they set themselves down on your fabric. It's a whole lot easier if you have hand or wrist problems. Oliso irons are worth every penny, and yes, I know they're very expensive. But hey, if you put it on your list, you never know, right? Fabric. Fabric is a great gift idea, but not if your people get it wrong. This is where I like to recommend precuts. If you don't know, precuts are cut from entire fabric lines. So fabric lines usually have around 22-ish different fabrics. So any pre-cut has got 22 of whatever shape it is. If you struggle choosing fabrics, pre-cuts are a great option. And I suggest the following pre-cuts: fat quarters, which are 18 by 22 inch pieces generally, rolls 2.5 inch strips, charm squares, 5 inch squares, and layer cakes, 10 inch squares. Quilt kits. Quilt kits make excellent gifts. You get everything you need to make the quilt. Check the manufacturer, but you usually need to purchase the backing and sometimes the binding too. Sewing machines. If you're eyeing a new machine, December is usually a good time for sales. Check the manufacturer's website and your local dealers too. If you have no other choice, I totally understand why you would be buying from Amazon or a big box store, but they really are not the places to buy sewing machines because they cannot help you learn to use your machine. And yes, there is a learning curve with every machine, and they cannot help you if something goes wrong. Google sewing machine dealers near me to find out if you have a local dealer. If you do, great, go see them. Tell them what you're looking for, your price point. If you're already sewing, take in some of your threads and your fabrics to see how the machine handles those is always a good option. If you do not have a local dealer nearby, buy from an online dealer instead. It's a far better choice than buying from Amazon or a big box store. Fun stuff. This includes jigsaw puzzles, decor pieces, and even wearables like fun t-shirts. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really makes a big difference. In addition to posting videos, I also send out weekly emails on all things quilting, including tips, tutorials, product reviews, and more. Check out the description for the link to join today. Since you stuck around to the end, I have one last tip to share. My last tip is on sewing machines. If you are buying for a loved one and don't know what features or brands they're interested in, you have a couple of options. One, be nosy and quietly ask them. I'm not suggesting that you break into their computer to see their saved websites. I am suggesting quietly beating around the bush. If you cannot gain any information, then your best bet is to purchase a gift card at a local sewing machine dealer. By purchasing a gift card, you are giving your person control of the decision. Gift cards are great, but some vendors are not. I have heard tales of gift cards expiring and thus being unusable. Make sure you find out what the terms and conditions of using the gift card are before investing in a gift card for your person. I hope this gives your friends and family some ideas for gift giving. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.